Today is Thursday, April 23rd. We are working on Phonics page 197 and 198. Grab your Phonics workbook sheet and your pencil. So, at the top, the instructions say read each sentence and fill in the dot under the picture it tells about. So we have to read the words and fill in the dot. I'm going to switch here to my black. All right, so let's begin. This first word, we have that bossy A-R. That bossy R is changing the A to an R sound. So it is ark feeds the dog. Which picture shows Mark feeding the dog? Let's complete that short vowel sound. He's washing him here. He's feeding him here. This is the one. So Mark feeds the dog. Okay. The next one. There's that sight word the. Then we have frog sat on the log. The frog sat on the log. Which one shows the frog on the log? There he is on the log. Moving down to the bottom. First word is magic. Kate will jump rope. So this middle picture shows our friend Kate jumping rope. So color that in. Okay. Flip over to the back side and it says match the picture whose names begin with the same special sound. Okay. Blends. Not special sound. Blends. Okay. So the first one is bridge. Bridge has a brr. Which word at the bottom also has a brr at the beginning? Crib? No. Truck or tractor? No. Bread? Yes. Bread. Brr. Okay. The next one is a crown. So we have CR this time. Cr. And crib. There's our CR sound again. Cr. Cr. Here we have fries. Yummy. French fries. Those look good. I'm kind of hungry. It's about lunchtime for me. Fr. So, tractor. No, that's tr. Fruit. There's my match. And then the last one is tr. T-R. All of these are blends. Tr. Two consonants that both make their sound. It's a blend, but the sound blends together. Okay. At the bottom, I have to complete the sentence using all the words in the box. So they give me a green box here and a blue box here. I have to put these words in order. Well, first of all, I'm going to mark the vowels so I can read these easily. And then the last one's the. It's a sight word I know. I know the. Okay, so it says, Dad will grass cut the. Does that make sense? Dad will grass cut the? No. Dad will do what? He's going to cut the grass. And guess what? I need to go cut the grass. I'm going to do that as soon as I finish making this video. I like to cut the grass. It's relaxing to me. Cut the grass. I wonder if this dad likes it. My husband does not like to cut the grass. He doesn't like to do work outside. So let's go to the next sentence. It says, Mike will, and let's look down here, steps the sweep. Mike will steps the sweep. What's he going to do? He's going to step the sweeps? No. He's going to sweep. My sweep is going to be too big. I can already tell. It's going to hog up all the space. I should have made it smaller. Sweep the. Oh, look at that bad S. Steps, not as bad as that S in the next one. Goodness. Just about the time you think your penmanship's getting better, you lose your mind. All right, there we go. Mike will sweep the steps. Good work. Make sure you finish everything on both sides. Give yourself a smiley face, and you are all done. Nice job.